It all begins in the orange orchards.
It all begins in the orange orchards.
Fresh fruit heads to the factory.
Fresh fruit heads to the factory.
The factory receives its raw materials.
Cleanliness ensures quality.
Cleanliness ensures quality. The fruit is opened for extraction. Fresh juice is released. Purity is refined through filtration. Thousands of bottles fill every minute. Branding meets production speed. Automation prepares them for shipment. From orchard to your table.